Welcome back to the Fibonacci Swings site over here again. Today I am Abubakar Javed and welcome you all. After the long time, I am taking a mild break as of now due to my exams are going on. I will be uploading some videos, but after March, you can find me so much consistent in the moment of like content creation on the Instagram, same as Twitter, same as on the YouTube. I will take this thing very professionally. As of now, I am just looking for my exams. At least you are living in a South Asia and you think that your parents will allow you to do whatever you want. No, that's not a thing how it goes. That's merely in America, but not here in the South Asia. Okay, the typical South Asian parents, you need to complete a degree, then whatever do you want. But in reality, they will just make you feel बेटा तुमने फॉर्म भरना है you have to fill the form for the government job, get a job. I don't want any sort of job. Okay, too much rants, just like ICT, but the main focus is all about the content creation and the today analysis. So welcome you all. Today is 1 minute ago. After 1 minute, this will be Monday, 2025, 17 February. As of now, this is 15 February. After 1 minute, it will come 16, whatever it is. Okay, now daily time frame we have reacted with the monthly fair value gap right over here. On the weekly time frame, we can see the good reactions, but daily time frame it tells something else. So okay, this was the time. This is a yearly open candle. Uh, Price came down, made a sort of wick. Then price is consolidating right over here. Yeah. If you really want to buy from the swing low, let me tell you the best point to do that. First of all, price came down and price go high. So this is a breaker block type scene. This is a breaker block. Okay, kind of breaker block. You can see that. So if price came right over here on this 3.8 level, this is a 3.8 constant encroachment of the zero point 0.5 level of the Fibonacci and the midpoint of this breaker block, we can expect price to go higher. But let's add some more PD arrays to find out the entry is it valid or not. First of entry, we need to find the liquidity area. First of liquidity area is right over here. The equal highs from the 1.53 level and the major equal highs is on and the major liquidity is on the 0.62 level, 0.6262 level. The major liquidity is present here, but the sum of the local equal highs is right over here. Now what I'm anticipating is to price to go higher, sorry, lower from this area. Then I am expecting to price move higher. So this is my anticipation for the price at this moment. We are in the daily time frame. Let me deep dive into the 4 hour time frame and see the detail in the more depth. Okay, so let's move on to the 4 hour time frame and see anything interesting right over here. First of all, we closed right of this area and we have not touched this area as of now. Okay, so let me use the candle body right over here and now measure this swing. This was a high low, so just low from to high. zero point 0.5 areas right over here aligning with the breaker block, so we can anticipate price will may come to this area and react with the some many this area. So there are so many things right over here. If you see, this is uh, equal lows right over in the EUROUSD 4 hour time frame, so I can anticipate that price may will come to this area and then we can anticipate price to go higher reacting with the yearly open, and this is a yearly open PD array, then we can go higher. So this is all the analysis for the euro USD. It's kind of very short, but yeah, this is a very good analysis. And you can see the next week calendar we have news on 18, news on 19, and news on 21. So these are days where we can find the most volatility in the prices, and these newses are the reason why our TP gets filled so much easy and our stop loss get hit so much easy. So yeah, this is the overall anticipation of me. So I'm anticipating next week to price open and get up to this area, or just go to the equal highs and come back again, and we can approach a buy over here until the next liquidity area, which is 0.62, which is high of this area. So we can anticipate the price go higher. So this is overall buy. So subscribe my channel, like this video, and share who may need it. Thank you. Bye bye.